Here we are back again with voice change. Today we are not doing assertive only but assertive continuous sentences. Assertive and continuous sentences. Last day we did present and past sentences. Today we are doing continuous sentences. Okay? Assertive continuous sentences. Alright? Now what's the main symbol or sign for continuous sentence? You have an ing in the sentence. The continuous sentence indicates something is going on or was going on for a certain time. Suppose if it is like is going on, John is playing, Reena is making a cake, or Ajay is doing his sums, that means he is doing something now, just at the present. Or if you say he was doing it, then it was doing it at a certain time in past tense, but it is a continuous one. So here in continuous sentence we see that ing is a must, and this in passive voice changes to being. Okay? Now let us come to an example. Let's see an example. Suppose we say, okay, let's take a different sentence. Say that John is making a kite. That means John is making it just now. Okay? So, is making is the continuous form. Is comes because John is singular and the sentence is present. So, John is, and making is continuous. He is doing it now, just at this moment. So, it is continuous. Okay? Now, you know the basic rules. You have already done present and past. So, a kite comes as subject. A kite is also singular and it's present tense, the sentence. So, a kite is, here we add being for ing. Okay? Is being made, because made is the past participle form of make. Make, made, made. A kite is being made by John. Okay? So, John is making a kite. A kite is being made by John. Now, suppose if we have it plural, we change a to here plural kites. Obviously, when kites come as subject, then here also a is removed and we have K capital kites. Okay, let's do it once again. Kites. Now, it's plural. The subject is plural. So, you need the present tense plural form. What is the present tense plural form? Think over it again. Yes, good. It's are. Kites are being made by John. Okay, so we see that the verb here in continuous tense is a bit more weak than the past and the present. So it needs double support. One for the subject and the tense, the other for the ing or continuous form, and the other is past participle form, which is permanent. Past participle form is permanent. Alright? Now suppose instead of John, I give a sentence. The boys. Obviously here is will turn to are, because boys are plural, more than one, so plural. The boys are making kites. See here, both the subject and the object are plural. Naturally here, kites are being made. There's no change over here because this is also plural, this is also plural. No change over here. Kites are being made by, here we change it by the boys. Right? The boys are making kites. Kites are being made by the boys. So here both subject and the object are plural. So when it changes its place, the object comes in front. That is also plural. So there is no change over here. So kites are being made by the boys. Okay? This is present continuous. Now suppose we go to the past continuous. Now here instead of the boys, I make it the boy. And here also singular. And we make it past. The boy was making a kite. He was making a kite sometime in the past when you visited him or when he had a holiday, sometime in the past. Okay. So here again it changes to a kite. A kite. Now since this is singular, we have to make it singular past tense. So a kite was being made by the boy. Okay, this is past continuous. See, the boy was indicates past tense, was making past continuous. So the boy was making a kite. A kite was being made by the boy. Now instead of the boy, a single boy, we are changing it into many boys. Okay? During these pujas and all, during Saraswati Puja, then Vishwakarma Puja, you have a lot of boys, many boys making kites. That's the way they celebrate those pujas or those occasions. Okay, the boys, obviously it becomes here, were making kites. Right? Now obviously again here it changes to kites. Kites. Now since this is plural, was changes to were. Kites were being made by the boys. Again the same thing. Plural, plural. Here also plural, plural. So the boys were making kites. Kites were being made by the boys. It's the same thing that you have done in present and past. Only remember, in continuous tense, we have to use being. Got it? Fine. So, here ends a continuous tense. Next, we'll be going for perfect tense. Okay? Perfect tense means, what is it? It is for has and have. And next day, we are going for present and past perfect tense, of course, in assertive sentence only. Okay?